Swamiji, I don't know what I am doing with my life, but that is okay. It is not okay. Please understand. When you have your meal in your table and you throw here and there, apply all over your face, even 1% of it is not going inside your mouth, and you are dancing on it, is it okay? It is okay if you do that only one day, your birthday, but that is not okay if you are going to do that every day. When you say, I don't know what I am doing with my life, it is not okay. Please understand, even if it is depressing, frustrating, stop this. It is okay. Decide, even if you collapse, take on, face it. And I tell you, ultimately, there is nothing called collapsing. There is nothing called collapsing or breaking down. For some people, if you cry, it is called breaking down. For some people, if you go bankrupt, it is called breaking down. For some people, if you get depressed, it's called breaking down. But there is nothing called breaking down. Understand that idea, this is what is breaking point for me, is the stupidity. First thing, I don't know what I am doing with my life, but that is okay. No, break this pattern. It is not okay. Second, I was wondering if time has to do anything with ambition. Please understand. What you are having, I will not call as ambition. I will only call as confusion. See, your ambition is your life and it is you. You need to know, you are not spending your time on ambition, you are spending your life on ambition. Please understand. Something which has no life, only that has time. Something which has life, its time is life. Please listen. Only for a stone, 20 years is a time. But for you, 20 years is life. So you need to be very clear. You are not spending your time on something. You are spending your life on something when you are interested about it. Using right word clears a lot of garbage, confusions inside and outside. Please understand. Using right word. Only for a stone, 20 years is a time. But for you, 20 years is a life. Your ambition is your life. Divya, when you make a statement, I don't know what I am doing with my life, then the next statement, you can't have the word ambition. Ambition means you will clearly know what you want to do. You may be successful or failure, that is secondary, but you will know very clearly what is your life. Only then we call it as ambition. If you don't know what you are doing with your life, I should only call it a confusion. It cannot be called as ambition. Next line you are making, like I have really strong ambitions, but I don't know what to focus on the most at the moment. Please understand, there can never be ambitions. There can only be the ambition, and ambitions which can also be part of the ambition. Please understand. There can never be ambitions in the life. There can only be the ambition. Then there will be other things you may want to do. I want to have a meal, the ambition. I will have pickle also, an ice cream also. So those things should not be given the title ambition to avoid confusion in your system. Please understand, if you give the same word for the other things which you wanted to make it as reality, you will cause confusion within you. So, I may use this word priority. What you want to become, that only for that you should use the word ambition. If I read your whole question, you just need only one thing, nothing else. Integrity in your thinking. The words you are using within you needs to be organized. You need to put little more awareness into it. Otherwise, you do not have a real problem. I tell you. Most of us do not have a real problem. It is like two friends were talking. They are very close. 25 years of friendship. Suddenly one fellow said, if you win $1 million in lottery, what will you do? That guy said, I'll have 10,000 acre land, farm, and I'll just enjoy my life in a relaxed way. And he asked back, if you get $1 million in lottery, what will you do? Oh, I will have 10,000 cows and dairy farm just next to your agriculture farm. And this friend asked, hey, if you keep it next to mine, if the cows come into my land, what will happen? He says, why? What is there? I'll send all my cows only to your land and graze them. And this fellow, hey, how dare? You said you will send all your cows into my land. I'll put an electric fence and kill all your cows. This fellow, hey, how dare you said you will kill all my cows? I'll see to it what happens to your land and your agriculture. And fight starts. It's not a real fight. Most of your problems are not using right word about you, within you. Using right words about you, within you, is what I call integrity with words. When I read this question, you neither have an ambition problem, nor have a confusion problem, or have dilemma. You just need to spend little time on educating yourself to use right words within you. Integrity with the words you use within you is all you need. I'll recommend you watch a series of discourses on integrity available freely in the YouTube. Even if you watch some 10 discourses, you will understand how using right words within us takes away tons of our problems. When you use the word, I don't know, when you use the words like, I'll exactly read out the line, like I have really strong ambitions, but I don't know what to focus on the most at the moment. It means if you want to have a house, you call that as ambition. And if you want to have a cup of ice cream, you call that also as ambition. That is where starts confusion. You want to have a chapel stand outside the house, you call that also as ambition. Please understand, what you want to become in your inner space, how you want to hold yourself and how you want others to hold you, only that should be given the title ambition. All other things should be given maybe a smaller word. Any word you can choose. Those things can be called as a small desire, or cute desire, time pass desire, or entertaining desire. You can use any word. But do not use the word ambition for your whole laundry list. When you use the word ambition for the whole laundry list, starts the confusion. And you are asking the next question. It feels as if it is getting further away from me. What is the relationship of time with all these ambitions of mine? The whole situation is, it's all about confusion you are carrying. With confusion, you will just be stuck. Maybe you practice integrity with words for 11 days. I tell you, this whole question, you will have an experiential answer inside. Blessings.